morning.
Have a great day, man.
Good morning, and welcome to Matt Reviews Books. Well, I guess it's Matt writes a book right now. It is, day 7 of National Novel Writing Month, which is November. I personally am on day 5 of writing, but it's still, I'm gonna keep the calendar. So it's November 7th. And I got up extra early. Didn't really mean to get up extra early, but just for some reason I woke up extra early, and I was like, I'm gonna do this. I gotta write. I'm gonna get some writing done. So in the time this morning, only had roughly an hour to write, and I was able to write more this morning with a focus block of an hour in the morning. Wrote more than I did all day yesterday with trying to sneak a few words in here and there. I took notes. So yesterday, I think it was only like 360 some odd words. So this morning, 564 words, as opposed to the 300 and some odd words I got out yesterday. So that is much improved. Very, very, very improved. I have class. I'm going to try and get a little bit of work, a little bit of writing done at lunch, but no promises. I don't know what the time it'll take me to drive home, turn the computer on, because it's an old computer. I'm going to eat breakfast. I'm going to eat something because I'm hungry, and I got cinnamon rolls. Which are not very good for me or good for you. They taste good, just like the eggnog. But this time, they have cinnamon in it. And cinnamon is supposed to... Cinnamon is supposed to be good for you, right? Right? Yes. So anyway, talk to you later. Breakfast time. All right. I could find. There's light over here. I don't know if there's anybody back here. There was no light in here, and now there's light in here. This used to be the old campus lounge. So look, lounge. So I'll just use the light here on campus. So it's the end of the day again, and I didn't write as much as I wanted to. I didn't get anything done the rest of the day. So that 583 words that I got done this morning was the sum of my production. So apparently, I need to wake up real early. I didn't even check the time. Let's see is there a clock around here? I don't see a clock. But class got out early, so maybe tonight I'll go home and see if I can get it on. If I can, I'll let you know. If I can't, well, I'll just wake up early again tomorrow. Hit it again. Tomorrow's Friday. No class. Well, I'll see you next time. Here, hold on. It's going to get a little shaky as I wave goodbye.